the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Various types of insurance losses. We have 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealer in the Northeast. We have vehicles to meet everybody's needs. Right now you're looking at a Toyota Highlander with front end collision damage. We'll check the year in a moment. As you can see, need the right headlight, right fender looks good, the hood looks good, need a bumper cover, a grille, left fender looks good, left headlight looks good. Radiator and condenser look good from underneath. Bumper support looks good. And now I can see why they probably totaled the vehicle. There's some damage to the frame rail right here. So you have to repair this. You probably have to replace this extension on the end over here. But wheelhouse behind here looks good. Let's take a look under the hood. All right. Everything looks pretty square under the hood. Probably gonna need actually radiator support looks good. There goes the frame damage from the top. It's a little wrinkle. You can see it right there. I mean, depending on the shop, you might be able to repair that, but I'm pretty sure the frame extension is not expensive. I would replace it. Motor sitting in place. Radiator condenser look good. The vehicle does start. It does a lot drive. We've only tested it within our facility. We don't road test these vehicles. We just move them in our yard, a few feet back and forth. That's what, when we say runs and drives, that's what we mean. So far, looks like a pretty easy fix. Let's do a quick walk around. We will be selling it with a salvage title. This side looks pretty clean. Sorry for the video on this side, it's going to be a little tight. Do a walk around the other way. This is a Platinum edition, which is the top model. They don't make a better one than this, and it's all-wheel drive. Platinum payouts definitely over $50,000. All right, you have a nice panoramic roof. Nice captain chairs in the middle. Is a 7-passenger, 3 in the back, 2 in the middle. The curtain airbags are good. Also, rear climate control. Nice interior. Got rear shades. Nice wood grain. All the airbags are good. The interior is nice. It's a real easy fix. We'll go check the year in a minute. If you're interested, give us a call. Let's check the year. Alright, it's a little tight here. It is a 2021 posted on the website soon. Thanks for watching.